We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve shortcuts to speed up your editing process. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once you're in, make sure you're in the Edit page where you can see your timeline. Using shortcuts can dramatically increase your efficiency, so let's cover some essential ones. To quickly cut a clip, press the B key to switch to the Blade tool, then click on your timeline where you want to cut. To switch back to the Selection tool after cutting, press A. This will allow you to move or select clips easily. If you want to play back your timeline, simply press the spacebar to start or stop playback. For zooming in and out of your timeline, use the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. This will help you get a closer look at your edits or a broader view of your project. To undo an action, press Command plus Z on a Mac or Control plus Z on Windows. This is especially handy if you make a mistake and need to revert. To redo what you've just undone, use Command plus Shift plus Z on a Mac or Control plus Shift plus Z on Windows. If you want to quickly save your project, press Command plus S on a Mac or Control plus S on Windows to avoid losing any progress. Remember, these shortcuts are designed to streamline your workflow and make the editing process smoother. Practice using them regularly to become more proficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.